Hello there, welcome to Tech Revealer. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a background picture or background image from any picture or a background color. So this method works both on your PC and on your mobile phone. And I'm going to use a mobile phone to show you this. So on your mobile phone or on your PC, open any web browser of your choice. So let me open up my web browser here and go to remove.bg. So go to remove.bg. I'm going to display the link on the screen. So when it loads up to this point, click on upload image. So I'm going to select only this time. Select your media folder. And I'm going to select this particular image right here. So as you can see, it will take just a few seconds to load. So within a period of 2 seconds, the background of the image has been removed. So as you can see now, you now have a plain transparent background. So to download the transparent background image, click on download here at the bottom. You have two options. The max size is the paid version, while the free version is 548 times 5 times 455 pixel. It depends on the original size of the image. So go ahead and click on the free version, which is okay for whatever you want to use it for, to download, and it will ask you download. So that's it, guys. That's how to remove a background image from a picture or a background color from an image. Thank you guys for watching. Please support this video with a like and subscribe to the channel, so I'll see you in my next video.